Hello and welcome to today's class. Today our goal is to learn how to make questions with the verb to be in past. As we saw in the previous video, the verb to be has very specific uses. We said that we use the verb to be to talk about permanent or semi-permanent situation. What is a permanent situation? A permanent situation is, for example, my name, my profession, my nationality, the color of my hair, the color of my eyes. Yes, I can alter them, but only temporarily. Okay, so remember, we use the verb to be for introducing people, to express age, to talk about a job, profession, or occupation, to talk about the nationality, to express our feelings. Our feelings are a temporary idea, okay, a temporary concept. It is not permanent. If we are happy, maybe I am happy in this moment, but tomorrow the situation will be different, or maybe in the past it was different. We also use the verb to be to express colors, to talk about prices, to talk about the weather, to express the time, and to describe people, objects, or places. Remember we said that the verb to be is only divided in was and were, and we use I was, he was, she was, it was. Or the verb to be were, we were, you were, they were. How do we form questions? Look at the affirmative sentence. They were happy. The question, were they happy? As you can see, we only reverse the order. We only change places of the verb with the verb to be, okay? We can answer with an affirmative sentence, yes, they were, or negative, no, they weren't. Let's practice simple past. Look at the date. Were the Reeds at home last Christmas? No, they weren't at home last Christmas. Were they at school last week? Yes, they were at school last week. Were they at the museum last Wednesday? Yes, they were at the museum last Wednesday. Were they at McDonald's last night? No, they weren't at McDonald's last night. Remember, to ask questions using the simple past of the verb to be is very easy. We only need to use the verb to be and then the subject. For example, was I, were you, was he, was she, was it, were you, were we, were they, and then the nationality, the profession, the description, the color, whatever you want. Thank you very much for watching.